Hello, security professionals. I am Daniel Gonzales, and I am thrilled to welcome you to the Security Coach Academy's YouTube channel. On this channel, we will share tutorials that enhance your knowledge of security procedures that will take you straight to the top of the security industry. Together, we will deep dive into comprehensive security procedures designed to elevate your professional skill set and skyrocket your success. With value-packed tutorials on security procedures for executive protection details and uniform security accounts. We also have tutorials on operating procedures for security company owners and tips to grow your security company. Get ready to level up your knowledge and over time, elevate your income earning power. Our program is all about mastering the true mechanics of security procedures and setting you apart as a true industry leader. But wait, there's more. The Security Coach Academy isn't just about training. It's about unlocking a world of opportunities. Get ready to be inspired and motivated with a positive learning environment that encourages growth and excellence. With our videos, you will shine brighter than 99% of the security workforce, equipped with the skills and confidence to lead with authority and expertise. I will share with you the keys to my own success in the security industry, paving the way for life-changing opportunities for you and your family. So buckle up, because as you absorb each piece of knowledge and apply it to your environment, you will see opportunities unfold before your eyes. Our unique tutorial format ensures you will receive large amounts of information for you to absorb and apply to your work site, building your expertise day by day. And the best part? You will see your value skyrocket, paving the way for higher paying positions and boundless opportunities. But that's not all. Our program opens doors to 3 exciting paths. Number 1, elevate your value as a security professional and land top-tier positions. Number 2, become a licensed company owner and embark on a journey to success with our expert guidance. Number 3, discover the valuable security services you should be offering as a security professional or security company owner. One of the most valuable aspects of our tutorials is the hands-on approach. Through a series of interactive exercises, you'll not only consume information, but also create and apply what you have learned to your work product, setting you on a path to industry leadership and success. It is time to embrace massive imperfect action and dive headfirst into your dreams. Remember, discomfort is just a side effect of growth, so do not let fear hold you back. Join me on this incredible journey, and together, we will unlock your full potential in the security industry. Your success story starts here. Let's make this happen. Get ready to transform your career and change your life. You ready? Let's go.